Hey beauties, welcome to my channel, Beauty by Amor. This is part 2 to my Valentine's Day glam video. I'm now going to show you guys how to install a top knot bun. To begin, I am straightening my natural hair, freshly washed, and then I use Shine and Jam to put my hair into a nice flat ponytail. No lumps and bumps. If you have to go over a few times with your comb and a brush, please do so. Put it in a tight ponytail, as high or as low as you prefer. I like high top knot buns. As you can see in the video, I'm applying a high ponytail. In this clip, I am now twisting my hair into a tight bun, a really small tight bun. I split my hair in two and then I wrap it around. Everything is pretty self-explanatory, so just please watch the video and just follow along. You can actually do a long braided cute ponytail with this type of braiding hair, or you can simply do the top knot bun. I'm showing you both in this clip of the video. You can choose what hairstyle you're going for. Now I'm going in with my Beauty by Amor edge control to slay my edges. I'm sorry, I was not able to record how I put the braiding hair around my ponytail, but I simply used a rubber band and I wrapped the rubber band around the bun tightly, and now I am twisting small pieces of the braiding hair, and then I use bobby pins to secure it onto my bun. This process does take quite a while, so you have to be patient during this process. If you want it to come out very neatly, you can stop in between. I think I stopped maybe one time while I was twisting the hair because my arms did start hurting. So yeah, just follow along, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far is the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. 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 Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live a better day.
Hey beauties, we are towards the end of the video, and now you just want to shape your bun. Shape your top knot bun to your desire. Twist that last piece around the bun, underneath the bun. Also add a little bit more bobby pin so that it can be secure. once you are done, you want to apply a little bit of heat for the flyaways, just to tame those flyaways down. Spray your hair with some hairspray. And then this is the finished look. Thanks for watching my video, top knot bun tutorial. And now I'm just going in and straightening those small pieces on the side. You don't have to keep those two pieces out. This is just what I prefer. It's just my preference. Thanks so much for watching my video. You have come to the end. Thanks for supporting me. Like, subscribe, and share. Follow me on Instagram at Belleza Amor. All the products will be listed in the description below. Follow me on TikTok, Beauty by Amor as well. I have some tutorials on there. Thanks so much for your support. If you have any questions, please comment below.